This is a $10,000 RC boat. This is a $2,000 RC hovercraft. And this is a $900 RC submarine. And we'll be testing them against the biggest, rarest, and strangest RC boats ever made. Starting with this $1 RC pirate ship.
The boat is made from a cut-up soda can. I attached a simple motor and receiver so I can steer the direction. This is actually called a pop-up boat, which means we have to fill these pipes with water, and then the fire will convert it into steam, which pushes the boat forward. Okay, I think we got it. Oh, it's going. Look at that, I'm turning. That's cool. Oh, no. My boat is sinking, Oh, no. The $1 boat sucks. We need an upgrade. Next up, we have the $30 flip boat from Amazon. This boat has two brush motors that makes it go super fast. Wow, dude. That boat goes so fast. Oh my gosh. So this boat has the ability to flip itself over if it crashes. The boat is weighted heavily at the bottom, so that means it always wants to be upright. Ah, there we go, we got it. Let's do a crash test and see if it can flip itself over. We have the table at the end versus the $30 flip boat. Wow, it's sturdy, huh? Oh, dude, this boat's too good. Oh, there we go. We crashed on the rock. Now let's see if it can flip itself over. Oh, there we go. We gotta jump this boat off of a ramp. Let's see how that looks. We got a ramp over here, let's go. All right, we gotta pick up some speed. Ooh, we got a lot of value for $30, but the boats coming up next are way cooler. Next up, we have the $50 Bass Pro Shop fishing boat. Bass Pro Shop is a fishing store, and they made a model scale version of their fishing boat. And you're actually able to attach a fishing line at the back and try to catch real fish with it. This boat's not the fastest, but it seems like it will have good torque. We're in the middle of the pond, and it looks like a real fishing boat. And the key to fishing is patience. Wait. I see a fish. I think we caught something. All right, we found our boat and made it all the way across the pond. But let's see if we caught anything. Oh, dude, I see something. Oh, yo, we caught a fish. Oh, dude, we caught an actual fish. That's crazy. This boat can fish, but I wonder what the next boat can do. Here we have the $80 hovercraft. Instead of a propeller that touches the water, here the hovercraft blows air underneath, which allows it to float and glide across smooth surfaces. And it's propelled by these two fans. Oh, that's cool. It's gliding on the concrete. It's very slow though, but it almost feels like I'm drifting. That's very cool. Now let's get in the water. There we go. Woo! It almost drives the same on water and land. It's like it's floating in both places. But you can kind of see it struggling against the wind because it's moving by the fans instead of propellers. So it's like super weak. But it can spin in a 360 circle like that, which the other boats can't do. Oh yeah! This hovercraft is way too weak. But later in the video, we have a custom-built $2,000 hovercraft. That is a lot stronger, bigger, and faster than this one. This is the $150 hydrofoil RaceBird. Hydrofoil are these underwater wings that floats a boat in midair when it's running. Oh! Yo, that's cool. It's floating. Because it floats off the water, it likes to go straight. This is like almost impossible to turn. This is a $250 Kyosho first-person view boat. This is our first fast boat. Are we ready? Yo! That already feels so much more powerful than any of the other boats. Oh, it's so crazy that I lost control of it. 1, 2, 3, go! I finally retrieved the boat. This thing died after like 2 runs. The batteries don't last at all. This thing finishes faster than me. We can't call this a proper race boat, but good thing we have faster boats coming up next. This is trash! Next up, we have the $585 RC sailboat. It's called the Dragonfly 95. There's no motors in this boat, and it's powered completely by wind. The only control we have is the sail and the rudders. And Karen from San Diego Argonauts is gonna teach me how how to sail.
You want to drive it?
Yeah, I want to drive it, of course. I'm the green one there.
You're the bright green one, yeah. This is your right and left. And now you can do a tack, which is this, or you can do a jibe, which is turning away from you. Now you're going downwind. That's called falling into irons. You can get out of that by trimming in your sail.
I feel like there's a lot of terms in sailing.
Yeah, there are.
I'm literally going against the wind, and there's no motor on it. It's literally only using the wind as power. Wow. Now we're gonna do a sailboat race. We got two boats right here. The bright green one that says 887 is mine, and the other one that says 44 is John's. And John's is a pro. He's a pro sailor. How long have you been sailing, John?
49 years.
49 years. Okay, here we go. But I got my coach here, so okay, there we go.
I think you're leading.
Whoa! Oh, we're beating John. We gotta turn around. Okay, we gotta turn around.
Now let your sails out. Let your sails out. A little
Like
bit.
that?
Yeah, not
Like that?
fully. Nice,
Oh, okay.
nice. Yeah,
Oh,
John's
oh, he's catching up.
John's.
No, he's
John's
catching.
catching up.
Oh, we gotta turn around. We gotta turn around.
Let the sails out. Let the sails out. Yeah, we're going to finish. Downwind.
Oh, yo, this is a close one.
I'm trying to block your wind.
Oh, I feel very romantic right now. Oh, wait, why is he going so fast? Are we winning? Are we winning?
Go between the marks. Between the marks.
Yeah! I won! We won! Yeah! I'm pretty sure John let me win. This sail race was cool, but later in the video, we're gonna race a $10,000 RC boat. Now let's move on to the next boat. This is the $900 Thunder Tiger Neptune submarine. We have Bob, the RC submarine expert from Nautilus Dry Docks. This submarine works with a ballast system where it's able to suck in water to weigh it down so it can dive, or it can push out water to make it lighter so it can float up. Okay, we are now diving. Way down she goes. Oh, it's like slowly sucking in the water. Yeah. It almost looks like a giant fish there. Our submarine is fully submerged. That's so cool. That is incredible. Wow, the submarine is so peaceful.
It actually is. It's quite relaxing.
So right now it's sunk. Can we push out water and watch it float up? Oh, she's coming up. That's up out of the water. Wow, okay. Now let's move on to the next boat. Next up, we have the $1,100 self-riding Dominator. And I have the creator of the boat, Bill Oxiding, to deliver me the boat. Whoa, dude, this is crazy.
This is a self-riding Dominator. This is made of carbon Kevlar.
What does the Kevlar do?
The Kevlar is really stiff, really strong. It's a space-age material. The space shuttle was actually made of something like this.
You ever crashed this thing?
I have crashed it before. It survived. It came out unscathed.
That's because of the Kevlar hull, which is basically bulletproof material. Now, let's run it. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What? Holy crap. Look at the splash. This is like giving a kid a Ferrari. I have no experience driving these. That is insane, dude. Oh, there we go. Whoa! The RC boats at this higher price point requires a lot more skill to control. It's not like the toy ones. So this boat goes up to 70 miles per hour. But Bill is also the creator of the world's fastest RC boat. And how fast does that one go?
It goes over 130 miles an hour.
That's insane. Oh! Next up, we have the $1,200 Bancroft Bismarck. I saw Mateo here driving it on the pond, and I wanted to showcase it in the video because it's super cool. So this is a different category of RC boat. We call these scale models. So it's not about going super fast. It's about making a replica of the real boat. Oh. That's actually pretty smooth. As you can see, there's very intricate details modeling every part of the real ship. What made you buy this one?
I found this one as a good speed. It's just a really good one and it offers a lot of detail.
That looks amazing.
Right when I saw it, it reminded me of a museum.
That's amazingly put. It does look like a museum piece. For our next boat, we have the $2,000 hovercraft. This is a way bigger version than the one we had previously. And it's custom built by Robin from the San Diego Argonauts. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's a scale model, about 1/10 scale of the first hovercraft that crossed the English Channel.
So this is a piece of history right here. How long did this boat take you to build?
I would say 2 to 3 years, and maybe another year to sort out the quirks. The more difficult part was getting it to really work properly.
Whoa! Dude, that thing looks like a UFO. I thought the entire box was a hovercraft, but it's only the middle part. This thing is so loud. It's not the fastest boat, but it's definitely one of the coolest. It's coming on land, it's coming on land, look. Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo! So it's like pushing the water down.
Yes, it's on an air cushion.
Make it do a spin. Oh! That boat looks epic. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, spin! Bring her home. Oh, and it just deflates. There's only one of these in the entire world. So thank you so much for showing me, Robin. Our boats will get even crazier, so stay tuned for the next one. Now it's time for the $10,000 boat. This is the Rampage. It's the world's fastest ready-to-run boat. It goes over 130 miles an hour. Whoa! No way. And it's 55 inches. And again, it's made by Bill from Oxidine Marine. So air kind of travels through this gap and lifts the boat off the water a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So the ready-to-buy version is $5,000, but Bill customized this one for us.
We put hotter motors, we put a lot of reinforcement in the hull, we put all upgraded electronics.
If that crashes into me, I am unalive immediately. Whoa! And the controls are so precise. I gotta ask you, can I drive this?
Probably it's not a good idea. This one is not, it won't be pretty.
What do you mean?
This thing's not easy to control at all.
Can I just go in a straight line?
Okay, please do not, this boat, it's not what you think.
Okay, just pull it back here and they'll drive it that way. Okay, I'm gonna go slow, Bill. Okay, ready? I'm gonna accelerate. It's like barely touching the gas trigger. I can tell Billy is so scared right now. I'm gonna press fully down on the gas trigger. Wow. Oh, I didn't jump. That's crazy. We're now gonna do a final race between the $30 boat, the $250 boat, and the $10,000 boat. We'll get to witness how much faster the $10,000 boat actually is.
Why do I have the smallest one?
We'll do one lap, we'll go to the end, and first one back wins. The $10,000 boat is in. Now we got the medium $250 boat. All right.
Can it be the $30 boat that can do this? Hold on.
Okay, there we go. All right, let's get in position. 3, 2, 1, go! Bro got a head start. Oh no, I crashed my boat, bro. What the heck? I crashed my boat. How do I get my boat back? All right, we're gonna do a different boat. We're gonna race a hydrofoil instead since I crashed that one. 3, 2, 1, go! Why is my hydrofoil so slow? Bro, we haven't even made it halfway. Wait, how are you faster than me? What the heck? Woo! I guess for RC boats, size does matter.
Yeah.
Your race.
Yes.
If you want to watch $1 versus $3,000 RC cars, click here to watch that. And click here to watch $1 versus $10,000 RC planes. Subscribe.